kittens. Mom!
I can hear you. You've got a cough. Maybe a fever. Probably snot. There's 1,000 germs that you're spraying everywhere. But I can't pretend you don't need me over there. Oh. Oh. You've got a cold. Or maybe COVID-19, whatever it is. I don't know. But it's sure to infect me. Though every day we talk about how not to spread your germs. You were just a kid, and I swear you'll never learn. I've already had your stomach flu. I don't need something new. But that is what will happen if I can't get you to cough into your elbow. Cough into your elbow. Cough into your elbow.
Don't tickle me. I missed the video up.
What do you want? 'Cause I'll do almost anything if it'll help you cover your coughing.
Mommy.
I'm not above threatening you with candy or TV. Do I need to grovel or get down on my knees? I'll even wear this scruffy wig and sing this silly song. If it helps you remember coughing in your hands is wrong. Cough into your elbow. Cough into your elbow.
Where I put the foot and
Cough into your elbow. Yes, this part right now. Yes, there's your foot. Yes, yes, there's your foot in there.
Put it right and right.
Baby, it's right in there. It's in the video right now. Okay, take your
Like
foot
that.
off the phone.
And and when the video is over, we'll get these two candies. They know something on this.
What will it take to help you cover your coughing so that we don't die?
It's almost
Cough into your